Hello everyone, and welcome back to Health Fit Hub. Today, we're about to uncover the secrets of PCOS and the best anti-inflammatory foods that can help manage this condition. With 1 in 10 women suffering from PCOS, it's high time we raise awareness and empower ourselves to take control of our health. So let's dive right into our top 10 best anti-inflammatory foods for PCOS. Our first superfood is omega-3 rich fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fatty fish contain anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation and balance hormones in women with PCOS. People often ask, what role do omega-3 fatty acids play in PCOS management? Omega-3 fatty acids help regulate insulin levels, reduce inflammation, and lower testosterone levels, which can improve menstrual regularity and overall hormonal balance. Next up, we have leafy greens. Foods like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are essential for maintaining hormonal balance and fighting inflammation in the body. One of the most searched questions is, can leafy greens help with weight management in PCOS? Absolutely. Leafy greens are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer and aid in weight management, an essential aspect of managing PCOS symptoms. Our third superfood is berries. These antioxidant powerhouses help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress while promoting better insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for managing PCOS symptoms. So, how do antioxidants in berries benefit women with PCOS? Well, antioxidants in berries neutralize free radicals, which can cause inflammation and oxidative stress, leading to insulin resistance and other hormonal imbalances commonly found in PCOS. Avocado, our fourth superfood, is an excellent source of healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. These nutrients work together to lower inflammation and support overall hormonal health. So, can eating avocado improve fertility in women with PCOS? Answer is yes. The healthy fats in avocados can help improve egg quality, while their high potassium and fiber content can assist in regulating insulin levels and reducing inflammation, both essential factors for fertility in women with PCOS. The golden spice, turmeric, takes the 5th spot on our list. It contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound, which helps reduce inflammation and improves insulin resistance in women with PCOS. You may be wondering, how can I incorporate turmeric into my diet? You can add turmeric to soups, smoothies, or even make a delicious turmeric latte. You can also use it as a spice in various dishes like curries, stir-fries, and rice. Just be sure to combine it with black pepper, as it enhances the absorption of curcumin. Number 6, we have nuts and seeds. Foods like almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a must-have for managing PCOS symptoms. So, are there any nuts or seeds to avoid with PCOS? It's best to limit your intake of high omega-6 nuts and seeds like sunflower, safflower, and corn oil, as they can contribute to inflammation. Instead, focus on the nuts and seeds we mentioned earlier. Green tea, our 7th superfood, contains powerful antioxidants called catechins, which help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support hormonal balance in women with PCOS. Now the question is, how much green tea should I drink for PCOS benefits? Well, it's recommended to consume 2-3 cups of green tea daily to experience its benefits. However, if you're sensitive to caffeine, consider opting for decaffeinated green tea or consult your healthcare provider for guidance. Extra virgin olive oil. Number 8 on our list is packed with healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that help fight inflammation and support overall hormonal health. So, what's the difference between regular olive oil and extra virgin olive oil? Extra virgin olive oil is the highest quality and least processed form of olive oil, containing more antioxidants and a richer flavor compared to regular olive oil. It's perfect for drizzling over salads, dipping bread, or even cooking at low temperatures. Who says you can't have a treat? Dark chocolate, our 9th superfood, is rich in antioxidants, magnesium, and healthy fats, which help fight inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Now coming back to most searched Google question, how can I choose the healthiest dark chocolate for PCOS? Look for dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content, as it will have less sugar and more antioxidants. Also, opt for organic and fair trade options whenever possible. Finally, we have cinnamon. This fragrant spice is not only a great addition to your favorite recipes, but it also helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduces inflammation, making it a powerful ally in managing PCOS symptoms. So, what's the best type of cinnamon for PCOS? Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, is the best choice for PCOS, as it's lower in coumarin, a compound that can cause liver damage when consumed in large amounts. It's also more potent in terms of its blood sugar regulating properties. So there you have it, our top 10 best anti-inflammatory foods for PCOS. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your daily diet can make a significant difference in managing your PCOS symptoms and improving your overall health. Remember, every small step counts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. For more health tips, nutritious recipes, and wellness advice, make sure to subscribe to Health Fit Hub and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care and stay healthy.